Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to download Roblox Studio on mobile. First of all, you can open the Roblox app. After opening the Roblox app, I can tell you cannot download the Roblox Studio in your mobile. You can download the Roblox Studio in your PC or MacBook or your laptop, and there is no other method to download Roblox Studio on mobile. You can just simply use the Roblox official app to play games in your mobile. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.